The 5 issues raised by the panel during the pre-trial conference are whether or not the petitioner, Mr. John Mahama, discloses any reasonable course of action, whether or not based on the data obtained in the declaration of the EC and President Akufo-Addo as president-elect, no candidate obtained more than 50% of the valid votes cast as required by Article 63(3) of the 1992 Constitution, whether or not President Akufo-Addo still met Article 63 of the 1992 Constitution threshold by the exclusion or inclusion of the Tishuman South constituency presidential election results. Fourthly, whether or not the declaration by the EC dated December 9, 2020 of the results of the presidential election conducted on December 7, 2020 was in violation of Article 63(3) of the 1992 Constitution. And finally, whether or not the alleged vote padding and other errors complained of by the petitioner affected the outcome of the 2020 presidential election results. The mode of the trial as ordered by the panel are that the petitioner and witness shall file witnesses' statements with exhibits, if any, by the noon of Thursday, January 21, 2020. Again, witness statements should be served to the counsel for the respondents by the close of Thursday, January 21, 2021. The respondents and their witnesses, if any, should file their witness statements with exhibits, if any, by the close of day on Friday, January 22, 2021. The first and second respondents, that is the EC and President Akufo-Addo, must file their submissions on the preliminary objections raised in the petition by noon of January 22. The registrar must ensure service of submission by close of Friday, January 22. The petitioner should file any response to the submission of the preliminary objection by Monday, January 25, 2021. The registrar must also ensure service of the petitioner's response by close of Monday, January 25, 2021. According to the panel, ruling on the preliminary objection will be incorporated into the final judgment of the court. Meanwhile, the lawyers of Mr. Mahama have filed an application for review of the Apex Court's ruling on the 12 interrogatories on Tuesday, January 19, 2021. The Supreme Court on Tuesday refused the application after a lawyer for former President Mahama moved a motion asking the Supreme Court to grant leave for the Electoral Commission's 12 questions regarding the December 7, 2021 presidential elections. The Supreme Court, however, refused the application, explaining that the petitioner did not raise any important issues of relevance. Following that ruling, the lawyers of the NDC 2020 presidential candidate, former President John Mahama, filed for a review of the court's decision. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear that application on January 28, 2021.